So first I'm going in with my Make Sense Advanced Anti-Aging Foundation. I'm in the color Cream Beige. I'm applying that all over my face in circular motions with my foundation brush. I really like this foundation. It's blendable. It has, I believe, medium to full coverage, and it has a really good finish on it. It's more of like a matte to dewy look. The best part about this foundation is it goes on as a foundation like a liquid, but it dries as a powder, which means it will stay all day. Next, I'm going to conceal my under eyes. So I'm going in with Sandstone Pearl. It's the shadow scent. It just has a shimmer gold tone. And then I'm also adding Snow in the scents and a little bit of pearlizer. This makes it so my under eyes are glowy and light and bright, which I enjoy. So I'm just blending that in with my finger. And I'm just taking whatever's left over my finger and I'm applying it to my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going in with a foundation brush and just blending that out. As you can see, this makes your under eyes really bright, but it doesn't cake up, and it just kind of gives you like that J-Lo glow. Next, I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going in with Mulberry. It's a really pretty taupe pink color. I think it's like a color of like a rose, but just a little bit darker. And I'm just blending that into my crease to give my eyes some definition. As you can see, they're really blendable and foolproof. Don't be concerned that it's a liquid and it's going to be hard to work with. It's really easy. Next, I'm going in with Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. This is a really pretty gold shimmer, and I'm applying that all over my lid. This is going to make your eyes look bigger and more awake. Next, I'm going in with Mocha Java. It's a medium to light tone brown, and I'm just applying that to the outer corners of my eyes to give it more definition. As you can see, they blend really well together. I'm now going in again with Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, and I'm applying that under my eyebrows and in the inner corner of my eyes. This is going to make your eyes look really bright. Next, for brows, I'm still using the Mocha Java, and I'm just applying that with a smaller brush. I love this for my brows. They stay all day. I could literally go swimming or work out, and these brows are not moving. And the best thing about this is that there's no lines that you can see in your eyes. I hate when you can see people's like little dash lines. So this is really blendable and it looks really natural. So I'm just applying that. As you can see, it's really simple. The shadow scents have a little bit of give time, so if you do mess up, just wipe it off and start again. But once they dry, and they stay all day. Next, I'm going to do blush. I'm going in with that mulberry color. I apply 3 dots to my cheeks and then just blend it out with the same foundation brush I used earlier. This is a really pretty rosy pink color. It's good for every day and it's blendable. I think it's really pretty on each skin tone as well, as it's not too harsh. As you can see, they're very pigmented, but they blend really well. I'm going to apply 1 dot to each cheek and blend that out as well. Next, I'm going in with Mocha Java for my contour. I'm just drawing a line right near my ear and a little bit towards my eye, and I'm just applying that and moving in an upward motion to my temple and into my hairline. This will give you more of a natural look. I'm taking whatever's left over and putting it on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going in with a pearlizer. I'm applying that to the tops of my cheeks. I love this as a highlighter. It's really pretty, it's really natural, and it doesn't show like lines. It just looks like you're glowing from within. I'm taking a little bit and putting it on my nose, and then just applying whatever's left over, adding it on top of my cheeks as well. And I like to glow all over, so I'm just bringing it down the middle of my face as well. And you can always go in and just blend it out to make sure there's no lines. I think it's really pretty. I love their pearlizer. Now I'm just wiping off any makeup that I might have got on my lips so I can apply my Lipsense. Today I'm going to be using 2 different colors. First, I'm going to be using blue red, and then I'll use rosy berry. I use 2 coats of blue red and one coat of rosy berry. With Lipsense, you want to make sure that your lips are dry and have no other makeup on them. You want to apply 3 thin coats, all in the same direction. As you can see, I overline my lips just a little bit. You don't have to do that if you do not want to. And then make sure that you get that waterline and the creases. You want to make sure that your lips do not touch during this process. So it kind of looks crazy, but you just want to keep them open. Now the second coat of blue red. So like I said, you want to wait like 5 to 10 seconds between each layer so that you let it completely dry. And for my third layer, I'm going to be adding rosy berry. It's a really pretty pink. I love blue red, but for this look, I wanted it to be more of a warm red. So I decided I'll add a little rosy berry on top, and I really like the combination. And lastly, I just add my glossy gloss on top. This locks in the color all day. Finally, I'm just going in. I'm adding a little bit of mulberry to the underneath of my eyes. I just think it adds a little bit to the look. And then the test for the lips. No transfer. Red lips and no transfer. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time.